going west on Dahlia. West on Dahlia. ASP is trying to join in with us.
Okay, to ASP is search, or are you catching up to you?
Adam 14, or come primary.
ASP is now taking lead on the pursuit. ASP is...
Put her on to all units. That is now 1063 for Adam 14.
You've been right here. Come on.
Adam 14 wants to take a location.
Getting back on Chico from Azalea.
ASP attempted a pit, and now we're going back on Baseline. So we're going on Chico, northbound on Chico.
TVI University, just off the railroad tracks.
For copy TVI.
Watch his leg. Adam 14 little awkward, 10-15, you can 64 the net.
Calm my windows down.
Picked a bad day to run from the state police, bro.
You hurt my goddamn arm, man. My wrist. My wrist. Move it. Hey, you gonna stay right there until we get a car over here. God damn. Hey. Oh,
I'm in the front. I'll grab a car.
Hey, this shit doesn't happen if you don't steal cars and run from the police.
Man, this shit hurt my arm, man. It hurt my wrist, brother. Can you unloose it? Can you unloose it, brother? That's all I'm asking. Hey, quit moving.